Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to create an Exness account very easily. First follow the video description where you find the official link. Clicking on the link will take you directly to the official site. There you will find two options, register, sign in option. Since we need to create an account, so we click on the registration option. First, you need to select your country, then enter your email and set a password. Make sure your password includes uppercase and numbers and symbols, etc. After that, click continue. Next, you will see the two options, demo account and real account. You will click on the real account at the top. You will see in option complete profile. Click on that. Once you complete all steps in your account, the withdrawal verification and deposit verification will be activated. You need to verify your mail, then your phone number, then finally and your information using your passport or driver license or NID. This verification process takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Let's run about some additional feature. By clicking my account, you will see both real and demo option. You can use either one. Now let's make a deposit. I have made my deposit very easily through Binance. Let's explore the available deposit option. Here are Binance Pay, Bitcoin, Skill, Neteller, Pocket Money and many more. In the withdraw section, you will find the same option. Additionally, you can send fund transfer other users or your another accounts. In the setting section, you can access market news for Forex, crypto, stock and commodity. An interesting feature here is that engage social trading and coffee trading. There are many skilled traders who manage risk effectively and make profits every day, every year, every week. I hope today's video has helped you understand how to easily create an account, verify an account, as well as various deposit and withdrawal methods available in Exness option. In the next video, I will show you how to coffee trading easily. If you create an account using the official link in the video description, you can get help from me with any issues. So don't delay. Verify your account now. If you face any problem, I am here to help. You will find links in my all social media link in the video description. So I will say goodbye. See you in the next video. If you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye, take care and bye bye.